Welcome to Ho Ho Cooking. Today, we are making something absolutely delicious. Kimchi fried rice with ground beef. First up, garlic. Take 1 clove, peel it, and chop it up. Easy. Next, fresh ginger. Slice it into thin strips. Time to saute. Add a little oil to the pan and toss in the garlic. Let it sizzle. Now, throw in the ginger. That aroma is already amazing. Add the ground beef to the pan. A piece just jumps out. Don't worry, cooking can be chaotic. Add a pinch of salt, a little seasoning powder, taste and adjust to your liking. Leeks, let's go. Grab the white part and slice it thinly. Chop, chop, chop. Wait, where are you going? Get back here. Toss them into the pan with the beef and stir fry until soft. Rice time. Take some cold white rice and add it in. Crack in 1 egg. Look at that beautiful golden yolk. Stir everything together. It's already smelling so good. Keep stirring. Don't stop now. Wait, what's that sound? Crispy rice at the bottom? Yes, that's the golden treasure. Kimchi enters the jar. Slice the green part of the leeks. Sprinkle it on top, or stir it in for the extra kimchi flavor. Moment of truth. Taste test. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. It could be served at a restaurant. Delicious. Have you ever tried kimchi fried rice with ground beef before? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tasty recipes